This is the first lesson. We're going to talk about how Jesus sees us. This is from the Way of Mastery. I'm quoting from the Way of Mastery, where Jesus is speaking directly to us. He says, "Beloved and holy friend, a friend is not lesser than myself. A friend is one who walks in perfect equality with the greatest of masters. A friend. A friend is one who chooses to look upon another and sees only the face of Christ. I look upon you and call you friend. For when I look upon you, I see not the momentary dreams that you seem to think are lasting so long. I see only the radiance of that which our Creator has extended out of love. I see only that which has neither beginning nor ending, and I see only that which knows neither birth nor death. I see only that which has no limitations, and I see only that the light of which is already extended throughout all dimensions and all universes." Jesus continues with this, "I see only my brother and sister. I see not a trace of inequality between us, and yet I do recognize that within your dream, it appears to you that I have gone ahead just a little bit. And at times within your heart, there is a longing to follow me. And if you would but heed that longing, if you would make that longing primary at all times, your own desire will bring you wholly to where I am, and you will laugh when you discover that you have not moved an inch, that where I am is where you are, and where you are is in eternity, not in time. That where you are is in the place of your birth, the mind of God. This is the only thing that is true, and it is true always. This is the only reality that you generally possess. Therefore, indeed, I call you friend, for I see that you are as I am, and therefore, indeed, greetings unto you, beloved and holy friend." He starts all of his channelings out this way. Greetings unto you, beloved and holy friend. Jesus says here that we are his brothers and sisters, and that we are equals and equal to him. We are all the Son of God. This world and everyone and everything in it is one being, the beingness of God, as God is the intelligent consciousness which permeates the universe and all universes. This means that everything that exists is God, one consciousness, one creation. Jesus is our elder brother, and we are all invulnerable and eternal. Nothing can harm us. Why does it not seem that way? Well, science shows that only 5% of our brains are conscious. The other 95% is unconscious. We are asleep and dreaming, having nightmares. Dreams seem real, but they are not. We are literally walking around and acting out in our sleep, and we are having nightmares of fear and terror. In truth, Jesus tells us none of this is real. Fear is not real, and the only thing that is real is love. God is love, and that is all God is. We are love, and that is all we are. Just asleep and dreaming, blinded by illusions. Jesus says that it isn't that he has something we don't, it's just that we have something he doesn't have, an ego. Now, we are not born with an ego. We usually develop it by age 2. My book, The Process of Ascension, goes into this more deeply. In order for us to see what Jesus sees, which is heaven all around us here on earth, we must relinquish the ego or wake up from its illusory world. The ego sees the world upside down and backwards from true reality. This Jesus says in A Course in Miracles when describing the ego and its illusions. Jesus is not the God. A God, yes, but we are God too. He is a brother who we owe our devotion to only because of his devotion to us. In fact, we are all devoted to everything and everyone because all is the one true Christ. Now this concludes our lesson number 1 for today. Next time we will talk more about the ego we must relinquish and how to do this, as well as what the ego actually is. Even though in truth we are dreaming the ego, we're dreaming the ego, and it doesn't actually exist. I love you, peace and joy be with you, and God bless you, my dear friend.